Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Honda Fit tail light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car is parked securely on a flat surface with the engine off. Open the rear hatch to gain easy access to the tail light assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and effort later on. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. You'll find two retaining screws holding the unit in place. These are usually visible once the hatch is open. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free. With the tail light assembly detached, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Locate the specific bulb socket you need to change, then twist it counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. To finish up, carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into position. Reinsert the two retaining screws and tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Finally, test your new tail light to ensure it's working correctly before closing the hatch. For more great tips and product recommendations, including deals on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.